The two articles I'm going to be talking about are lost communication and how is interactive marketing various from online marketing. Times have changed and the development of technology has changed with it. The face-to-face conversations are a thing of the past, and the way we communicate with one another is through mobile phones, tablets, and computers. Words contain barely 7% of the information we notice. The tone of our voice reveals our mood, attitude, and even the background of our origin, such as age and sex. Everything is moving faster and faster, and managing to set dates and meetings is harder than talking through technology. Even though it is nice to communicate face-to-face, we now can allow the pace of the universe and accept the fact that technology is guiding our lives in a greater extent. When the World Wide Web became a lot more mainstream, several businesses began advertising on the internet to further their organization. Online advertising makes uses of banner advertisements, commercials, infomercials, and pop-up advertisements to advertise merchandise and solutions. People are more likely to purchase merchandise that are suggested by interactive advertising and marketing. Various online and interactive advertising and marketing will carry the advertising enterprise into the future.